Okay, what's up, what's up, what's good, what's good? It's me. We're back with the BMW F30. So today we're gonna update for the ownership of, I think 2 years that I've been owning this F30 N55. E85 tunes, I think stay to E85 tune for this with the MHD. And then I still have the stock turbo. And then I got upgraded coolant intake and charge pipe. Basically that's all. I haven't do the air intercooler yet. I got upgraded headlight GTS-style. It's not bad, and the rear is like GTS-style. That's what I got right now. So I do have a problem for the maintenance is AC compressor. Other than that, I don't have any leaking yet oil. I do notice that one like turbo oil light is start leaking. So basically 2 years I've been driving here and there, back to North Carolina, New York, Maryland, drove a few times, a lot of times, not just few times. And then I drove to Tulsa, Oklahoma, Indiana, Kentucky, North Carolina, a lot of miles. I put it on. So basically just the maintenance, like oil change, that's what the most. I did oil change with the most of the time I use the mobile one, and then I do like every 3,000 miles, so it does pretty good on what it is like as people complaining it. I don't have any issues, but so yeah, pretty much that's what I have right now. So far I haven't got the oil filter housing leaking. I haven't got anything. So yeah, let me show you the other mod. All right, so yesterday I do forgot that I gotta mention about the F30, the transfer case that I broke, I think like twice with the stuff like that. So basically there's the most annoying thing that I'm gonna replace the transfer case three times. So basically there's a reason that I think the most money I spent on it, the gas. I don't do other stuff at all, so I've been driving here and there daily, my daily driver. So on the like transfer case is bad, it's go on limp mode. So like even though if you put in sport, it won't let you put in sport mode. Go back to like comfort or whatever. And then after I replaced that one, I gotta coat it back, calibration, do it, everything. So basically that's the most annoying thing. Yeah. So yeah, pretty much that's all that I have right now for the BMW F30. So yeah, so let me show you. It's a lot of almost, but not a lot. Then the radar is going off.